Hello students. Now yesterday we discussed about the elimination method. In elimination method, for example we studied. Exercise we started. In that exercise, few examples I solved and gave, and remaining I gave as a homework. And extra questions also I started. So from that again few extra questions we will discuss. So before discussing this, one thing I will clear to you. So I gave the example for practice. So at least two students has to come, solve that and bring your books for correction. Where you are doing the mistakes, that I will come to know that. And I will correct and I will give to you. So that day, two students came, they correct their books and they got whatever doubts is there, so I clear their doubts. So it is not possible to continue, so we can conduct the online classes. So please students, come and clear your doubts. Bring the books for correction. Not at a time all, two students has to come and clear your doubts. Okay students, so we will go on next example, that is solve for x and y. Ax plus by equals to a plus b by 2. 3x plus 5y equals to 4. So we gave equation 1, equation 2. Now here denominator is there. So for removing the denominator, equation 1 multiply by 2. So what we will get? 2ax plus 2by plus a plus b. And equation 2 as it is. 3x plus 5y equals to 4. Now we are solving by elimination method. So for elimination method, we have to eliminate any one of the variable. Out of two, any one variable we have to eliminate. So how to eliminate that? So bringing their coefficients equal. So see here, any one. So what we can do? Here we will, this x we will eliminate. So for that purpose, equation 1 multiply by 3. So this coefficient multiply here, this coefficient multiply here. So what we get? 6ax plus 6by plus 3a plus 3b. Okay student, now equation 2. So what is the coefficient of x? 2a. So here we have to multiply by 2a. Now 6ax plus 2a into 5y. So 10ay equals to 8a. Now see, coefficients are equal and their sign is also equal. Whenever the sign is equal, what has to do? Subtraction. So while doing the subtraction, has to change the sign of second equation. So now x is eliminated. So what will get now here? 6b minus 10a y equals to here 3b minus 5a. Okay student, now what is common here? 2 common. 3b minus 5a y equals to 3b minus 5a. Now this bracket has to transfer that side. So what will get? Y equals to 3b minus 5a by 2 into 3b minus 5a. 3b minus 5a, 3b minus 5a. This bracket is cancelled. So what will get? Y equals to 1 by 2. Got the value of y? Now this value has to substitute in any one of the equation, 3 or 4. in any one equation. So we have to substitute in equation 4. So put y equals to 1 by 2 in equation 4. So what we get? 3x plus 5 into 1 by 2 equals to 4. So 3x equals to 4 minus 5 by 2. So what we get? 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 5, 3 by 2. So x equals to 3. This 3 transfer here. 3 into 2. 3 3 cancel. So x equals to 1 by 2. So got the value of x and y. So therefore x equals to 1 by 2 and y equals to 1 by 2 is the solution. Understood, student, how to solve? So in this way, like these questions, they will ask in the board exam. So be careful, student, while solving the examples. Understood? Now we will go on the next example. Now this question, sixth question. Solve for x and y. So here question is given a square by x minus b square by y equals to 0. Second equation is there, a square b by x plus b square a by y equals to a plus b. So while solving, so has to give the number a square by x minus b square by y equals to 0, equation 1. A square b by x plus b square a by y equals to a plus b, equation number 2. Now check it, student. Here a square by x is there. Here b square by y. So see here any one x or y, any one variable has to eliminate. So what has to do? Here sign is opposite. Means this y's coefficient has to make it equal. Here b square is there. Here b square a is there. So what has to do to make it equal? Here equation 1 multiply by a. So equation 1 multiply by a. So what will get? A cube by x minus b square a by y equals to 0. And now equation 2 has to keep as it is. So what will get? A square b by x plus b square a by y equals to a plus b. Now see here, same it is there, and here opposite side. So what has to do? Addition. So this is eliminate. Now what will get here? A cube plus a square b by x equals to a plus b. Now here what is common? A square common. So take out a square common, a square. So what will get? A plus b by x equals to a plus b. Now by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication. So what will get now? A square a plus b equals to x into a plus b. Now transfer this. A square equals to x into a plus b by a plus b. So now a plus b cancel. So what will get? X equals to a square. Got the value of x. Now this value has to substitute in any one of the equation. Equation 1 or equation 2. So put x equals to a square in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes, so what will get? A square by a square minus b square by y equals to 0. So what will get? A square cancelled. So 1 equals to this, transfer that side. So b square by y. Now this multiply here. So y equals to b square. So therefore x equals to a square and y equals to b square is solution of given equation. Understood, student, how to solve? So it is horse question. So like that questions only they will ask in the board exam. So be careful, students, while solving such type of examples. And already I told word problem we will discuss together. Okay, students. So now we will go on the next method. Hope you understand this elimination method. Those who having, so whatever examples I gave, that example has to solve. Bring it towards me, I will correct and I will give. So before coming you inform me, sir, we are coming. So I will be at home. So bring it and check your notebooks. Okay, student. Now third method is there. Cross multiplication method. So in cross multiplication method, so this method is not going to come in the exam. This method is eliminated from the syllabus. Then also for the future you should not suffer. So that's why I am explaining this method. 1-2 example only I will explain how to do it. So here most important is their formula. If that formula, if you understand how to make, then it is easy. Okay, student. So we will not more discuss on this. So in the exercise, next exercise 3.5, in that whatever examples are given on this, so that you can solve by elimination and substitution method. Okay, student. So now cross multiplication method. So in that cross multiplication method, so let a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0 are the pair of linear equations. So these pairs are given: a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So these two equations are given. So how to make the formula? So for making the formula, what has to write? Which are the main variables? X, y and constant 1. That we have to write. And then here we will start from coefficient of y. b1, b2, then c1, c2, then a1, a2 and last again b1, b2. In this way we have to write. How I wrote, understood? X, y, 1. X variable, y variable and constant 1 we are taking. Then from the coefficient of y we will start. b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2, b1, b2. Now here in this way, this is called the cross multiplication. So in this way I have to show. So now how to form the formula? So therefore x bar. So what is b1 c2 minus, here how to form the formula? First x by B1 C2 minus B2 C1. How arrow is shown, in that way we have to go. Equals to. Now y by what will get? C1 A2 minus C2 A1 equals to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So like that has to make. Now how to find the value of x? So compare first and third, second and third, like that. So first and third if we will compare, so what will get? X equals to B1 C2. This it will go here, cross multiply. So what will get? B1 C2 minus B2 C1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. This is the value of x. Understood this? Now y. So second and third has to compare. So this has to cross multiply here. So y equals to C1 A2 minus C2 A1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So like this. So in this way, these are the values of x and y. So this is the method to use in cross multiplication method. So this is the algorithm. So I will send the algorithm. So in this way we have to solve it. So example we will take. Example. X minus 3y plus 3 equals to 0 minus 3. 3x minus 9y minus 2 equals to 0. So this a pair of linear equation it is given. So this pair first has to write in the standard form. Standard form means a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. In this form has to write. Now from this has to decide a1 1, b1 minus 3, c1 minus 3. Then a2 3, b2 minus 9, c2 minus 2. Now you can use directly formula to find out. Or if you are not remembering the formula, you can go in this way. No problem. So from here has to solve. So here x, y, 1. Then in place of b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2, b1, b2. You can substitute these values. Okay student. So now we are having the direct formula. So we will solve directly. So what is? Therefore x equals to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is the formula. Now substitute the value. What is the value of b1? Minus 3 into c2 minus 2 minus b2 minus 9 c1 minus 3 by a1 1 into b2 minus 9 minus a2 3 into b1 minus 3. So what will get? 3 2s are 6, minus into minus plus, then minus 27 by minus 9 plus 9. Check it once again. We wrote correctly or what? So what will get? Minus 21 by 0. It is meaningless. How it is? Meaningless. Why we got the meaningless? Why denominator we got 0? Whenever denominator it is 0 it is getting, so it is meaningless. So I solved and showed. So why it came like this? Because see here. So what is A1 by A2? So what is A1 by A2? 1 by 3. B1 by B2. What is minus 3 by minus 9? Means 1 by 3. C1 by C2. So what is minus 3 by minus 2? Means 3 by 2. So what we can conclude? A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. This is the condition for parallel lines. So given lines are parallel. So therefore it has no solution. That's why we got here denominator 0. So now here I solved and showed. So what has to do? So before solving any example, so what has to do? First has to decide the lines are intersecting line, coincident line or parallel line. If parallel lines are there, then it has no solution, no need to solve. Understood? And if it is intersecting line and coincident line, then you can solve, you will get the solutions. So hope you understand, student, how to solve. So now we will go on the second example. So first this example has to write in the standard form. So how to write in the standard form? 2x plus y minus 5 equals to 0. Equation number 1. 3x plus 2y minus 8 equals to 0. So we wrote in the standard form. Now first you decide the lines are intersecting or parallel or coincident. So how to decide? So A1 2, B1 1, C1 minus 5. A2 3, B2 2, C2 minus 8. So check it. A1 by A2 2 by 3. B1 by B2 1 by 2. So what we can say? Therefore A1 by A2 not equals to B1 by B2. So what we can say? A pair of lines are intersecting. How are the lines? Intersecting lines. So intersecting line means therefore it has unique solution. So now first we decided, now we have to find the solution. So for that purpose what has to do? Write the formula. What is x equals to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This. Now substitute the value in this formula. So what is b1 1 into c2 minus 8 minus b2 2 into c1 minus 5 divided by a1 2 into b2 2 minus a2 3 into b1 1. So what will get? Minus 8 plus 10 by 4 minus 3. So what will get? 2 by 1 means value of x is 2. Got the value of x? Now y. So what is the formula for y? C1A2 minus C2A1 by A1B2 minus A2B1. So what will get? C1 minus 5 into A2 3 minus C2 minus 8 into A1 2 by. So what is A1 2 into B2 2 minus A2 3 into B1 1. So what will get? Minus 15 plus 16 by 4 minus 3. So what will get? 1 by 1. So therefore y equals to 1. So got the values of x and y. So in this way we have to solve. Which method? Cross multiplication method. So hope you understand, student, this. So whatever exercise 3.5 examples are given, first question, second question and third question. So that you have to solve by elimination and substitution method. 1-2 example you can practice cross multiplication method, but no need to do more because this it is not going to come in the exam. This method is eliminate. So for understanding I explain this method. So hope you understand. So in the next video we will discuss how to solve the word problems, numericals. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.